so what you've got in front of you is a booklet on the next standard called Responsible Behaviour for the Safety in Outdoor Activities. Okay, that's going to be the second achievement standard that we're going to do to assess you on camp. The first one that we're doing is action to assist, to participate in physical activity, of which we've done one lesson plan already, and you'll do one lesson plan on camp. We're going to park that for now, and we're going to get ready for camp, because when we get to beginning of next term, we've got one class on the Tuesday and we're away on camp on the Wednesday. Alright, so we need to start getting ready now, and we are running out a bit of time. But just to break this down, I've put risk management because what you're trying to do is you're trying to manage risk in the activities that we're going to be doing by using responsible behaviour. The two responsible behaviours we're going to concentrate on is self-management and cooperation with others. Self-management because if you choose to, you can do an extra 3 credits at the end of camp by doing a self-management assessment standard or achievement standard. So we might as well try and use self-management in here so that if you decide to do the other self-management, you've done the learning, right, or the experience. And cooperation with others. Okay, so that's what those are the two standards that we are going to choose. The two responsible behaviours we're going to do. What you're going to do is in a minute we're going to start to try and understand what those might look like in an outdoor activity, and then you're going to try and use those responsible behaviours, either self-management and cooperation with others. And then when we get back from camp, what you're going to do is you're going to do 2 logs, similar to what we did with everything else. You're going to tell me what responsible behaviour you did for one responsible behaviour. You're going to tell me how you used the behaviour, so you give me examples of how you used that behaviour. You're going to tell me why did this affect the physical and emotional safety of you and the group. And we'll talk about what that looks like a little bit later on, what physical and emotional safety is. And then you do a so what section, which is what was the positive of using that responsible behaviour, what was any negatives of using that responsible behaviours, and what would I do to improve the use of that behaviour next time or in another situation where I'm in the outdoors. Okay, so the process of assessment is very similar to everything we've done so far. We're going to have a look at what those look like and try and think about what those look like now. You're going to then go and try and use them at the camp, and then you come back and you reflect on how well they actually worked. Okay, 3 credits. Alright, and we've got the added bonus if you need those extra 3 credits and you want to do it, we can do the self-management one too, which we'll talk about later. Here, Pato, any questions?